Hello. If you want to talk Japanese anime with us, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now.
Hello, I'm Blaine.
And I'm Kerwin. We're your hosts of the Easy Go Japanese channel, where you can learn to speak Japanese quickly and easily, some Japanese culture, and now we can talk anime. As we've mentioned before in our promotional video, Welcome Back August 2019, we mentioned that there would be some new things coming to the channel. Well, this is one of them. It's a new series called Let's Talk Anime.
In each episode, Kerwin and I will talk about a particular episode in order 1 through whatever from each show that we talk about. We want to put a disclaimer here. If you haven't seen the episode that we're talking about, then it'll be a spoiler for you. And we're not trying to spoil anything for anybody, so you choose if you want to tune into the episode before you've seen it.
With that said, these discussions will be purely from Blaine's and my viewpoint. If you agree, disagree, or have your own comments or opinions, we want you to share them with us. Please feel free to leave them in the comments section. In line with that, Blaine and I go to a lot of different Comic-Cons, A-Cons, San Japans, and Anime Fests in our area, where a lot of anime and cosplay characters will be parading around, and we'll be taking photos and trying to talk with some of them and include them in the series and our website as well.
Anything we think may enhance your anime experience here on this channel. So, get ready, get set, and get involved as we talk about anime. We look forward to engaging with you.
Alrighty then, this is going to wrap it up for Let's Talk Anime intro.
And if this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and then the bell so you don't miss a single episode.
If you are a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for supporting us and this channel.
またね。
またね。